Hello everyone, good morning. This is Dr. Akshita here, and today let's learn about the alcohol. So, what is the simple definition of alcohol? So, alcohol is a chemical substance that's found in a drinks and in some medicines. In drinks like beer, brandy, wine, champagne, rum, vodka, and so on. And in medicines like Benadryl, Diroxyplus, Kozikov, and so on. So, wine and champagne contains 15 to 16% alcohol, and rest the beer, brandy, rum, vodka, it contains 40 to 50% alcohol. So it also found in mouthwashes, household products, essential oils, and perfumes. It is made up of chemical process that is called the fermentation, and that uses starch food grains like barley, corn, and wheat. So, next, let me tell you about the full name of alcohol. The alcohol, it is also called ethanol or ethyl alcohol, and its molecular formula is C2H5OH. So, let's come to the next slide, which says what are the types of alcohol. So, here in this slide, what are the types of alcohol? It can be categorized into many types like denatured alcohol. It is made up of some substances like pyridine, acetone, methyl alcohol, which is poisonous and which is not good for drinking. The second one is a grain alcohol, which is obtained by fermentation of starch food grains. And third is a absolute alcohol. It is a very pure ethyl alcohol, which is volatile and colorless liquid. Now, fourth is a power alcohol. It is a mixture of purified spirit, benzene, and petrol, which is often used in propelling engine. Okay. Now, next come to the rectified spirit. It contains a 95% of ethanol plus 5% of H2O. It is a purified by the means of repeated distillation, which is called the rectification, or we can say the rectified spirit. Okay, so alcohol may be classified as a monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, and the trihydric alcohol. So, as we know that alcohol plays a very crucial role in our life, in some form of medicines or in other forms like other beverages like brandy, wine, and champagne. So, if we talk about the medicines like the Kozikov or Cosimin-Dex, this is okay. Let me tell you about the Cosimin Junior. You can see here in this slide. This is one of the best cough syrup in India, and it is 100% effective in treating cough. You may experience sometimes like mild to moderate adverse reactions while using this medicine. However, those side effects will fade away once your body will start adapting to this type of medications. Side effects you can get like diarrhea, nausea, dryness in the mouth, which is called the xerostomia, and vomiting sometimes because you are not addicted with some kind of medicines or drugs. And alcohol may be classified as a monohydric, dihydric, and a trihydric alcohol. So it means to say that longevity can be come from both drinkers, a person who takes alcohol in the form of beverages, or a person who takes in the medicine form and goes to the doctor that he believes or she believes that they gets well, and the one who doesn't go to the doctor, they also gets well. So no matter which brand do you drink, which medicine do you take, okay, so keep drinking brandy, keep taking medicine, and keep coming to the doctor's clinic and hospital. So here in this slide, let me tell you about two very important facts The first one is about my personal experience that when a seller comes to my street, my mom take a empty bottle of liquor from there and she put a money plant into that and make it a decoration item by doing her creativity. So tell me in the comment section, do your moms and your sisters do this? डू क्या आपके घर की महिलाएं, बेटियां, मम्मियां भी ऐसा करती हैं? Second, the law enforcement officer, police officer often use this back test that is called the blood alcohol concentration test. So this is used for legal evidences or a check for underage drinking or in some court cases. Now let me tell you how to check. Now, in order to check alcohol level in the blood of a person, the Leo officer use a chemical test in which the person undergoing the test blows into the mouthpiece of a bag and containing the sodium dichromate solution in acidic medium. So, on reaction with the ethanol, the color of the solution, it converts from the orange color to the green color, and when the ethanol is ingested in very large quantities, it slows down the metabolic process and depress your CNS, center nervous system, and the individual may feel relaxed for some time, but it does not realize that his sense of judgment and the sense of timing and the muscular coordination have been seriously impaired. So what happens during a blood alcohol test? So, a healthcare professional or a doctor will take a blood sample from a vein in your arm and using a small needle. And after the needle is inserted, a small amount of blood will be collected in your test tube or vial, and you may feel a little sting when the needle goes into your arm. So, the process is usually takes less than 5 minutes, but uh, person may have slight pain at the site when the needle was put in their arms. So if we talk about the results, you may find results like if the percentage of back is 0.0%, that means the person is sober. If the percentage is 0.08%, then he or she is legally intoxicated. And if you talk about the third stage, that is the very impaired, you will get the results zero point zero 0.08 to 0.40% of blood alcohol concentration, and in a serious complications it will be above 0.40% blood alcohol concentration. So at this blood alcohol level you may be at risk for coma and death. So those who drink alcohol, they must make doctors their friends so they can treat themselves.